In this session, we're going to demonstrate a classic shampoo roller set. We're going to begin by placing the first roller right at the top of the crown. We're going to over direct and roll it down upon itself. We're going to take the next section directly under it. We're using a fine-tooth rat tail comb. We're making our partings with the tail end of the comb, and we're making our sections no wider than the width of the roller. This client has fine hair, and her hair is also bleached and toned. So we're roller setting her hair to protect the hair color and to add additional volume and body to her fine hair. After we completed the center back section, we moved to the right side. Because her head is round, we want to place the rollers in her circumference. We adjust the roller size to fit the hair length. This is a classic bob hairstyle, so as we get lower towards the nape, we'll use a smaller roller size. We're using clip-on magnetic rollers in a large and medium size. Okay, check this out. Right here at the front hairline, we're rolling the roller forward. When you roll the rollers forward, that always keeps the edges smooth. Did you catch that bit of over direction there? In the next roller, I had to over direct it so we can roll the roller down upon itself. That type of roller placement will give the hair body. One of the benefits of a roller set is the curls will last for days, up to 7 days actually. If all you do is finger comb and sleep in a bonnet, the curls will last because the hair's hydrogen bonds have been reset into the shape of the roller you use. In the olden days, I never would have used a clip-on hair roller. We always used a clippy. But now modern hair dryers, they're so hot that the metal clippies on the scalp can be really uncomfortable. So I try to not use the metal clippies anymore, except when I absolutely have to. While we're rolling the hair, we want to keep the hair damp, right? When the hair is moist, when the hair is damp, it's elastic. It means it stretches. So we want to stretch the hair around the roller so that it dries smooth. Another benefit of keeping the hair moist and damp while we're rolling it is the magnetic rollers. If the hair is wet, it causes it to adhere to the magnetic roller really easy. So as you're applying the hair to the roller, you want to use some tension, right? And that causes the hair to grip onto the magnetic roller. As you're placing rollers, sometimes you might bump into a roller that's already in place. So once you're done placing all the rollers, go back and cross-check and re-roll any rollers that have become loose. We dried her under an ionical dryer on high for 45 minutes. Those were the dryer ear guards that I just took off of her ears. I'm going through with a wide tooth comb to detangle and break up the base. I want to break up the partings where the rollers were placed. I'm going to go through with several brushes and several combs because the whole goal is to break up the partings at the root. This also gives us a great opportunity to see this warm blondes on dark textured hair color. We did a whole series on this. You can go to our YouTube channel, go to the hair color playlist, look at those rich caramels and icy blondes. When you're ready to transform one of your clients' hair into this beautiful dimensional blonde hair color, you can watch and learn from the full video where we detail the products we use, the timing. We go into everything. You can go to our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com/buy hair videos. It's just that simple. When was the last time you shampoo and set one of your clients' hair? Did you use perm rods? Did you use flexi rods? Did you use jumbo curlers? What leave-in conditioner or setting lotion did you use? Leave us a comment, click that subscribe button, and give us a thumbs up.